This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, open the control and notification panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then expand the list of available controls or shortcuts. Then find the icon that is responsible for the Wi-Fi. Touch and hold on it. Once at the Wi-Fi or VLAN settings page, assuming that the network that you wanted to reveal the password for is the one that you're currently connected to, tap at the said network. After you've been forwarded to the network details page, you'll find the share button or share option which you want to go for. And at the following share VLAN page or section, you can see the actual Wi-Fi or the actual password to the Wi-Fi network, current Wi-Fi network, that is located right below the QR code and, well, the QR code itself, which you can scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.